Hello, in today's video I will be gluing some magnets to a saw blade cover. Now if you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because I've got a screw loose and I just don't know where it goes. So yeah, I got a screw loose, a loose screw. Anyways, actually what I'm planning on doing is I have these windows that have metal around the corners behind the drywall, and I thought that would be a good way to hang up my tools. So I'm going to go ahead and start by gluing the magnets together. I'm putting a little dab of glue on each one, and then folding them together like so. And I'm just going to let the pull of magnetism do the rest of that for me. And then I'm just going to do that to the rest of these over here. So I'm just going to unfold these. Work with me here. Yeah. There you go. And I'm just going to put a dab of glue on each. There you go. And now to just attach it to the saw blade cover. There you go. Just get around the edges here. Make sure I seal it in pretty good, because I don't want it to move. There you go. And now for this side. She's going to go in half pies. There we go. And oh, some metal on the table there. Yeah. All right, there we go. Now, just to see if this is actually going to work, because, you know, I'm crazy. I got a loose screw. It's right there. Can't figure out where that screw goes. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we can slide the saw blade in. Yeah, that's coming along real nice. I like that. Right, well, let's see if it, the question is, will it hang? Oh, come on. Ta-da! You know, other things on here need to be moved around just a little bit. But yeah, I think we got it. Awesome. Yeah, that works. And of course, I recorded this one, but the audio didn't come out. So, yeah, this one's gonna be going on my refrigerator. Um, Probably won't be able to wash this because if you apply too much heat to a magnet over a period of time, it loses its magnetism. That's gonna happen to the magnet over time, anyways. But heat will do it a lot faster. Anyways, catch you guys later. Bye.